Guys, welcome back on another video of the Starbase update. Today we're gonna delve into the past week because we already has crossed the Friday, which means that we're gonna give you the latest recap on the Starbase update. So let's gonna know about this. What exactly has happened in this week since the Monday has started. The first thing has happened that was the unexpected because the chopstick carriage and its the arms has stacked up and fully integrated. After then, the chopstick has installed on the tower B. You will not gonna be on this because this is very quick. This was a very quick procedure they ever done in the at the Starbase, and we already know that one, right? So after then, the one RVAC, the Raptor vacuum engine, has moved towards the Ship 34 for its the final integration. And as we've seen in a Star Factory, many activities going on under the roof. The one activity is going on the test tank 16. It's receiving it's the caching hardware more likely for the testing or the aft sections testing for the Ship 34 to making the some adjustment for the as we learned the lesson in flight 7 that the aft section caused to the biggest catastrophic event occurred and conducted, and that's why we're gonna do this. In this week, we haven't met with a lot of information. I mean, the activities as we've seen. So for the today, this is enough. I guess I will let you know as soon as possible before the next weekend update because this is a very quick update, and we already have the chopstick on the tower B, and we're gonna configure them with a lot of actuators and some cables. Just pull up the cables or they're on that pack. So bye guys, my name is Gordoshi and watching the NASA Factory. I'll meet you as soon as possible before the flight 8, the all pre-testing camping. Bye.
Gaurav Joshi on the screen every Friday like a dream. Starbase news he brings to life. Loves his pony, ain't that right? Barely speaks the English clear, but he's trying, never fear. Updates rolling from his lips. Starbase knowledge just a glimpse. Gaurav's here to break it down every week without a foul. Slaying news and love and cheese. With his updates, life's a breeze. Watch him stumble, watch him strive. Still he's buzzing and alive. Pioneer-powered Starbase king. Gaurav makes the cosmos sing. Gaurav's here to break it down